Good day, classmates, and to Miss Rutsudi Hinugin. So today, I'm going to present a real-life problem solved by Euclidean algorithm. So, Euclidean algorithm is one of the topics tackled by the subject number and graph theory. So, I learned how the algorithm is used in computing the greatest common divisor of numbers. So the process is long, but it's easily understood since the process has a pattern. And Euclidean algorithm is an efficient method for computing the GCD of two numbers that divides them both without a remainder. So the problem is a real life scenario of house construction, and the problem is about the estimation of number of blocks used in building a wall. So Euclidean algorithm is applied here on finding the GCD of the length of the wall and the length of the blocks available in the market in order to estimate the blocks used in building the wall. So let us proceed with the problem. Now the problem is, suppose there is a need for cost estimation on the total number of blocks, 119 feet, width does not matter, ang iyang kabag-on, required for the house foundation construction of 544 feet by 356 feet dimension with 230 feet high. So, if atong imaginon, kini nga balay is something like building, pila ni ka story, because the height is 230 feet, so taas kayo ni, and its length is 544 feet and 356 feet. So the block to be used is 119 feet siya. Bali mura ni siya og hitabo nga paliton siya nga block inani kataas, and then ang mag-labor na maoy murag magputod-putod into small blocks like this kini nasa figure. So we're going to solve sa estimate nga magamit nga block as well as the cost estimate kung pila magasto nato in building the house. Okay? So, we have the known parameters of land. Length is 544 feet. The width is 356 feet. And the height is 130 feet. And we have given that the length of the block is 119 feet. Bali, maupa na siya. So, we will use the process of Euclidean algorithm in solving this problem. So how? Step 1, we're going to find the GCD. Mag-imagine sa side sa atong house. So dito sa 544 feet by block and Euclid of land length 544 feet by block length 119. So bali atong ibutang nga decide this is 544 feet. Kini sa atong solbo na. Bali ang solbo na to dere is just the one side of the foundation para masolve na to. Una na mo say atong unang solbo. So kini, for example, that is 544 feet with the block length of 119. So we will find the GCD of the two numbers, so 544 and 119. So the process of Euclidean algorithm, so 544 is equal to 119 times 4 plus 68. So 68 ang iyang murag na himong remainder. Then murag gyapon ni 119 atong ibutan dere. Then we will use this one. 68 times 1 plus 51. Then copy na punta sa 68 hangtod moabot sa ijang nang sana 68 equal to 51 times 1 plus 17. So again, kini na pong 51, ang ilhan na ni is kung unsa ning dire mao ni imong ibutang dire. Kung unsa po imong kini nga remainder, mao po imong ibutang dire. Ipangisahan nimo number to multiply. So ni abot man ta dire og 0. So its last remainder is 17. So mao ni ang atong GCD. So GCD is 17. It is the largest number nga mo divide sa both numbers 544 and 119 nga walay remainder. So mo na siya 17. So unsa man ning 17? Okay? Unsa din ning 17? So kung atong imagine nun, if ang kung mao ni nga side 544, kung i-divide nimo sa 17 parts, i-divide mo 17 parts, maupod na siya ang the same number nga mo divide pod sa atong block length nga 119 feet into 17 equal parts. So og ato ning ibutang ni nga block sa atong side nga 544 feet, makaingon ta nga sakto ra gyud walay bungkig. So ing ana mo ibutang ato 17 feet. So ang 119 is kining 119 feet nga block is pwede na to i-divide into 17 para masulod diri po sa 544 feet nga length nga walay remainder. Okay? So we have GCD as 17. So the number of blocks ang nahitabo kay dili man pod pwede nga atong ang tibok block atong ibutang diha. So the numbers of blocks nga ato silang gagmay dyon 1 feet. So kining gagmay kanang mga gagmay nga block. So the numbers of blocks atong kwintahon, it will be 544 divide 119 times the 17, which is the GCD. So we will have 77.71 blocks nga tag 1 feet. Bali ang available sa market ba is 119 feet. So ang labor maoy mo murag motunga na mo divide into tag 1 feet. So in just one length 544 feet, makagamit ta og 77.71 block sa atong usa ka length nga 544 feet. Now if mukasaka ta pilay atong magasto. So the total number of blocks in 230 feet, this is 230 feet. Mo ni atong 544 kining side. So we're going to multiply 77.71 times 230 feet. So we will have 17,873 blocks to raise the building foundation on single horizontal length level. So para makabuild kag usa ka wall diha, we will need 17,873 blocks. That is just the one side of the wall. Okay, kinira nga wall. Now, if one block of 119 feet costs 1,000, it means you will need 1,000 times 17,873. This is wrong. 873 ni wa ni na ma-edit. This is 3. So, we will need 17,873,000 to raise the building foundation on single horizontal length. So 17 million. So dako siya kaayo knowing that arang taasa po ang atong building. Diya lapad po kayo ang atong length. That is 540. So we can now conclude that Euclidean algorithm has playing a big role also in cost estimation in house construction as one of its applications. So that's all, and thank you.